Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be talking about this new iPad mini, and actually right now is the Amazon is having a promotion, which is excellent. It's $89.01 coupons that can apply it, so you're looking at this iPad is about $400, which is really nice. So this is as the title says here, new Apple iPad mini A17 Pro, Apple Intelligence 8.3-inch liquid retina display, and this one is starting out, the base is 128 gigabyte. If you guys know or remember from the previous generation, they're only starting out at 64 gigabyte, right? And it does have Wi-Fi 6E, 12 megapixel front and 12 megapixel back camera, Touch ID, and all day long battery life. Let's see, and you can also get the Wi-Fi cellular version. I'm not sure if the discount will be applied or if there's any discount for that. And as you can, there's no discount. You have to pay for a regular price. And you can pick any color you like: purple, blue, space gray, or even starlight. And you can also purchase with Apple Care 2 years if you like. So this tells you a little bit more about the iPad itself, and the good thing is it does come with the Apple Intelligence. Okay, so not too many Apple products that does have Apple Intelligence, but even though they advertise it so much, for example, like the 16 and the 15, but not much about it so far. So it's in the works, so pretty much, but it's getting ready for it. Right, so as you can see, this is here. We can go to the actually the Apple website, and you can see right here it's still selling at $499 for the same iPad you're looking for. The only good thing here, you buy from the Apple store, it does give you free engraving. So if you want to engrave your girlfriend, your boyfriend, or whoever's, it's free. But other than that, Amazon is an excellent choice. You know, you get it for only $400, right? So yeah, I just want to give it to you guys a quick shout out. So if you guys are in the market for the iPad, you know what I mean, and this is really, iPad mini is really small, so it's perfect for you guys want to take it on a plane or go on a picnic or something, and you just read it or surf it on the web. It's not that great, and don't expect to do a lot of productivity from this tiny thing, but it's just for watching videos, YouTube, and reading. This will be perfect. Very light, very portable. Alright, so other than that, thank you for watching. So if you guys have any questions regarding about this promotion, like again, with any kind of promotion, I don't know when the coupons will be expired or when they will remove it, but as of right now, it's $89.01 coupons. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to give a like, and if you love the savings, just subscribe for more videos like this. Other than that, thank you, be safe, take care, till next time.